How to remove nose blackheads, open pores at home. Deep pore cleaning guide. Blackheads and open pores on the nose are extremely common, especially for people with oily skin. Many people try to hide them with filters or makeup, while others use harsh extraction methods hoping for instant results. The truth is that blackheads and enlarged pores cannot disappear overnight, but with the right skincare routine, you can deeply clean the pores and make them look smaller, smoother, and healthier over time. Blackheads form when excess oil, dead skin cells, and dirt become trapped inside open pores. Once this buildup touches air, oxidation occurs and the surface turns black. Open pores often appear more visible in oily skin because excess sebum stretches the pore opening. Genetics, sun damage, aging, and aggressive squeezing can also make pores look larger over time. The first step in deep pore cleaning at home is gentle cleansing. A mild cleanser removes oil, sweat, sunscreen, and surface dirt without damaging the skin barrier. Many people think washing the face repeatedly will reduce oil faster, but overwashing can actually trigger more oil production and worsen blackheads. Steam can help soften hardened oil inside pores before cleansing. Warm steam temporarily loosens debris and makes deep cleaning easier. However, steam should be used carefully because excessive heat can irritate sensitive skin. A short steam session followed by gentle cleansing is usually enough for most people. Salicylic acid is one of the most effective ingredients for nose blackheads and clogged pores. Because it is oil-soluble, it penetrates deep inside oily pores and helps dissolve trapped sebum and dead skin cells. With regular use, blackheads become less noticeable and pores appear cleaner and smoother. Clay masks are also popular for oily skin because they absorb excess oil from the surface and temporarily improve the appearance of pores. While clay masks cannot permanently shrink pores, they can reduce shine and help the skin feel cleaner. Using clay masks once or twice weekly is usually enough for most oily skin types. Many people make the mistake of squeezing blackheads forcefully with nails or metal tools. Aggressive extraction can damage the surrounding skin, create redness, and stretch pores even more. In severe cases, it can even cause acne scars. Gentle skincare treatments are usually safer and more effective than forceful extraction. Hydration is another important step that oily skin types often ignore. When the skin becomes dehydrated, it may produce even more oil to compensate. Lightweight moisturizers help maintain balance and support the skin barrier. Healthy hydrated skin often appears smoother and less irritated overall. Sun protection is also essential for reducing the appearance of open pores. Sun damage weakens collagen around the pores, making them appear larger over time. Daily sunscreen helps protect skin texture and prevents further damage caused by UV exposure. One important thing to remember is that real skin naturally has pores and texture. Social media filters often create unrealistic expectations of perfectly smooth skin. The goal is not to erase pores completely but to keep them clean, healthy, and less congested. Consistent skincare works better than harsh quick fixes. With regular cleansing, proper exfoliation, hydration, and oil control, blackheads can become much less noticeable over time. Deep pore cleaning at home is most effective when done gently and consistently instead of aggressively. Healthy skincare is not about removing every pore, it is about keeping your skin clean, balanced, and protected for long-term results.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.